We've been hard at work manufacturing the new 6 and 12-inch stainless steel squares. So let's go behind the scenes and check out how they're made, starting with the blade of the tool. In our shop, a high-powered laser cuts the blades out of big sheets of stainless steel. The blades are then cleaned up to remove any burrs left over from the laser cut. Next, the parts are secured in a CNC mill. And the edges of the blade are precision milled. After machining, we check the blades for accuracy on a state-of-the-art video optic measuring system. When the parts pass inspection, they're given our proprietary satin finish. Next, the blades are laser engraved with scale markings. Now let's check out how we make the handles. The two aluminum cheeks of the handle are machined on a CNC mill. After milling, the parts are inspected by the operator. The handles are anodized with our distinct Woodpeckers red and marked with the logo, which takes about 15 minutes with this laser engraver. The squares are now being assembled and will begin shipping soon, so stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes action and production updates from Woodpeckers.